Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace, as you know that. The first thing first, you have to earn a skill first. That's mean if you learn a skill, then you can earn. So let's see if you have a graphic designer or website designer, okay, or video editor. So you can make money on Fiverr. First of all, just sign up with your Gmail account with Fiverr, and then you can set up your profile, and then you can publish your first gig, okay, and then make money. That's when you get order, you can make money. So this is my Fiverr account. So as you know that I'm a freelancer and content creator. So in this channel you will get all about freelancing, content creation, online business, affiliate marketing, okay. So if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I got a order from one of my client, and here you can see time left to deliver. That's mean I have left 1 day 17 hours 10 minutes, and this is a WordPress website design project, okay, and the project price is $125, okay, and duration, that's means 7 days duration, and quantity 1. So I have done already this project, and right now I'm ready to deliver this project, and I will show you how you can deliver this project perfectly so that you can get a 5-star ratings. Also you can get a tip, okay, that's mean bonus. So if you are a student and if you are trying to get some money, that's mean definitely you have to earn money, and the number one is freelancing opportunity is really high for you, because as a student you don't have enough time to spend like doing job extra, but if you have a computer and if you have your knowledge, that's many skills, and you can earn money. So $125, that's not a big amount, but it's for good enough for if you are Indian, Pakistan or Sri Lankan, okay. So if you convert 125 USD to rupee, it's around 10,673 to 1. It's around, that's mean 125 USD equal to Indian rupee 10,000 plus rupee. So 10,000 plus rupee as a student, I think it's good enough money, okay. So if you are from, it's around 35,075, okay, that's been 35,000 Pakistani rupee, okay. So that's a good number. Also if you are from Sri Lanka, it's around 37,364 Sri Lankan rupee or Lankan rupee. Also if you are from Bangladesh, let's convert it BDT, it's 15,175 taka, Bangladeshi taka. So that's a good number. So as a student or as a housewife, or it's a side hustle, so if you are a job holder or business owner, you can start. In this video I just told you that I'm going to show you how you can deliver this project. Here you can see it's now deliver now button, and also you can extend deliver date. So as a beginner, if you are not ready to deliver this project, you can extend the deliver date, okay. That's when you need extra time to complete the project, so that you can extend the time, okay. And I'm ready to deliver this, that's why I'm going to deliver this project, okay. So just click on here, deliver now, and here you can see deliver your work. So describe your delivery in details. So you can write 2500 words of character, okay. So I just already wrote it here, and I'm going to upload a file, that's mean the image. So you can upload up to maximum 5 GB, a PNG, JPG, or any file, PDF or video, okay. So I'm going to upload the file, that's mean the work proof that I've already worked, okay. So it's really important, definitely you have to upload any file. All right, so I'm just uploaded a WordPress file, that's mean the screenshot of this project, okay. Everything is done, okay. That's mean it's a attachment, so you must have to attach a file, okay. I think you got it. and it's time to deliver. So just click on deliver. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any queries about freelancing Fiverr, so please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will come back with new tutorials. So see you in the next video.